Hello guys, I'm Ananya Gupta. I'm going to solve the question for our maths interim exam for you all. The question is given in the description. So this is our sixth question in which we have to solve this ODE and we have to guess an intuitive graph and we have to tell the physical use of the Dirac delta function. So the Dirac delta function states that delta x minus a is equal to 0 equal to infinity when x is not equal to a and if x is equal to a, and minus infinity to infinity fx into f x minus a dx is equal to f into a. So we'll plot the graph of a Dirac delta function. It will give us this 0 infinity. So we can clearly see that the Dirac delta function is representing instantaneous change. So Dirac delta function will represent impulsive force. This is its physical significance. Now we have to find the intuitive graph for which we have to understand the unit step function. So unit step function states that if u is equal to 0 if t is less than a and 1 if t is greater than a. It will be 1 if t is greater than a. So till 3 pi this will give us the value 0 and after 3 pi it won't be 0. If t is equal to 3 pi this will become 0. So we'll have equation y dash plus 16y is equal to 0 and we know this equation has a solution of y is equal to sine t. So our graph will basically give a sine wave after 3 pi. So this is our intuitive graph. So we have to solve this ODE now. Y double dash plus 16y is equal to 4 Dirac delta function t minus 3 pi. So we apply Laplace on both sides. We get Laplace y double dash plus 16y is equal to Laplace 4 Dirac delta t minus 3 pi. By using the properties of Laplace we get L Laplace of y double dash plus Laplace of 16y is equal to 4 minus infinity to infinity e minus st Dirac delta t minus 3 pi. This we get using the normal Laplace function, and the formula for Ly double dash is s square Laplace of y minus s y0 minus y dash 0. So putting the formula we get s square Ly minus sy into 0 minus y dash 0 plus Laplace of 16y. And for the RHS we know 4 minus infinity to infinity and 3 pi lies between minus infinity to infinity, and by using the formulas and functions we get the RHS is 4e minus 3 pi s. So 4e minus 3 pi s. So this and this will be equal to 0 as given in the question already. Y0 is equal to 0 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. So we are left with square Laplace of y plus Laplace of 16y is equal to 4e minus 3 pi s. So taking Laplace function common we get s square plus 16 into Laplace of y is equal to 4e minus 3 pi s. Shifting it to the other side we get 4 upon s square plus 4 square. 16 can be written as 4 square to e minus 3 pi s. Now multiplying by Laplace inverse on both sides. We get Laplace into Laplace inverse, we'll get y, which is equal to Laplace inverse y upon s square plus 4 square into e minus 3 pi s. Y is equal to L inverse, and by using the Laplace formula for sine, we get this is equal to L inverse to Laplace of sine 4t e minus 3 pi s. And we know Laplace inverse of e minus as into Laplace of a function in ft is given by ft minus a into ut minus a. U is the unit step function as explained earlier. So we get y is equal to sine 4t minus 3 pi u t minus 3 pi. This is our final answer. And the graph will be this. The graph will be 0 till 3 pi and will increase as a sine wave after 3 pi. Thank you. This is the solution. Thank you.